So here we go. I just want to show you. You just slip your rod on now. Once you get all your little bearings in with the grease holding it, you just slip your rod right over the bearings, and really, that's all there is to it. And put your seals on, your bearings, your seals, bearing seal. And I like to, there's no gasket for these Stihl chainsaw motors. So you put RTV on it. And what I like to do is, I like to put some in here too for the seal. You don't have to do that, but I do it. I coat this. I just, I coat this and this. The pan, I coat the pan and the block. And I just put a skim coat where the seals go. But thanks for watching. Just wanted to show that in case anybody wants to know how to do it. Thanks for watching.